Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we'll learn what is function prototype, how can you write a function prototype, questions on function prototype and their solutions. So let us start the video. These are the questions on function prototype. You try to do it, I will explain it later. Okay. First question is a function post char which takes a string argument and a character argument and returns an integer value. Write the prototype function postchar which takes a string argument and a character argument and returns a integer value. Okay. Then second one, function that returns a double value and takes three double parameters x, y and z as its parameters. Okay. Third one, function that returns a boolean value and takes an integer variable as its argument. Returns a boolean value and takes an integer variable as its argument. Fourth one, a static method named calculator that accepts two sort-type variables as its arguments and returns an integer value. A static method named calculator that accepts two sort-type variables as its arguments and returns an integer value. A function divide that takes two integer values and returns the quotient of double type. An overloaded function that takes two double values as formal parameters and returns the quotient of double type. Have you written? Let us check the answer. Before going to the answer part, let me explain what is function prototype. Function prototype is the first line of the function, that is the function heading. First line of the function means this is your public void display int a, comma int b. This is the first line of the function which is known as function header or function prototype. It contains return type of the function name and parameter list. Function prototype contains return type of the function name and parameter list with data type. Here, this is the function prototype. Here, return type is void. That means it returns no value. Function name is display, and there are two parameters a and b, and their data type int. Okay. Now there is a question. Give the prototype of method check. Here given method check. So method name is check, which receives a character ch. Receives a character ch. So here char ch. It receives a character value. So char ch. Variable is ch and an integer n. So data type is int and variable is n. It receives a character variable is ch and it receives a integer variable is n. So int n, here char ch int n, and it returns true or false. It returns true or false. So data return type is boolean. It returns true or false. So return type is boolean. Okay, this is the function prototype. Now tell me what will be the answer of this one. Write a method. This is the 2023 question. Write a method prototype name check which takes an integer argument and returns a char. Check. Check is the function name. So this is check, check. All are check. Function's name check. which takes an integer argument takes an integer argument, that means it is int x, it is int x. Okay, so B or D. And returns a char, returns a char. Here return type is void, here return type is char. So answer is D. Return type is char. It takes an integer argument and function name is check. Okay, now come to the your solution part. First question is a function. This is POSCHAR. You have to give, this is the function name. P capital, C capital. This is function name. Then which takes a string argument. So string argument, you can give any variable. Here is variable is given st. You can give a, b, c, d, anything what you want. String first letter is S capital and a character argument. So this is char. And argument, you can take any variable name and returns an integer value. So data type is int. So this is the answer of first question. Data type is, return type is int. This is the function name. This is the string data type. You can take any variable. This is the char data type. You can take any variable name. Now second one, function that returns a double value. Return double value. So this is double. No function name is given. So you can take any function name. Here is function name is given. Func question 7. You can give any question name. Then it takes an integer variable as is, this is takes 3 double parameters x, y and z. So double x, double y, double z. 3 parameters x, y, z of double data type. You can give any function name and the return type is double. Then C, function that returns a boolean. So this is your boolean value and takes an integer variable as its argument. Takes an integer variable. So this is int is the data type, x is the variable. You can give any variable name and you can give any function name. Because function name is not given, so you can take any function name. Now D, a static method named calculator. Static method named calculator that accepts two short type variables as its argument and returns an integer value. Returns an integer value, so and static. So static int. Function name is given calculator, so write calculator. Accepts two short type variable, so data type short, here also short and you can take any variable name. Here is x and y. Okay, then this is your static, return type is int, function name is calculator, two data type short and variable x, y. E, a function divide, function name is given divide that takes two integer value and returns the quotient of double type. Returns quotient of double type means that return type is double, function name is divide and it takes two integer variable, that is your int x, int y. Data type is int and variable you can take any variable. Here x, y are taken. Now f, an overloaded function that takes two double values as formal parameters and returns the quotient of double type. Returns double type. So return type is double and function name is not given, so you can take any function name. It takes two double values as formal parameters, so data type is double and you can take any variable name. Here m and n are taken. Okay, so These are the answers of 6 questions. Now a question for you. Give the prototype of a method search which receives a sentence SENTNC and a word WRD and returns 1 or 0. Write your answer in the comment section.